Tulamashzavod can be noteworthy called one of the oldest machine-building enterprises in Russia. The first pages of Tulamash history date back to the year of 1879, and during all the decades of its coming to be and evolution, Tulamashzavod company have been keeping on glorious traditions of legendary Tula craftsmen. Possessing powerful manufacturing capabilities and long experience in production of both defense and civil products, Tulamash people are now actively developing new products and upgrading commercial ones. The enterprise has mastered production of a family of small displacement diesel engines, on the basis of which a range of various applications is being developed. Each of the application units comprises bright engineering ideas and professional performance, well known in the vast expanses of our country as well as outside. We would like to present general-purpose small-size four-stroke single-cylinder diesel engines, designated as TMZ 450D and TMZ 520D. In our development work, we adhere to the principle of creation of domestic diesel to be made of present-day materials and to run under difficult conditions of our country with use of domestically produced fuel and oil and requiring minimum service. TMZ 450D and TMZ 520D diesel engines and their modifications are designed for standby electric units, including those running under conditions of day and night service, low and high ambient temperatures, or in closed space, as well as for mechanization facilities of municipal and building services, compressors, pumping units, mini tractors, and for various low load-carrying vehicles. Our diesels are possible to be used as stationary engines of low-tonnage boats. TMZ series diesels are the only certified engines among those of their class produced in Russia. They are supplied for needs of the Russian army. They are used by such structures as Ministry for Emergency Situations, Ministry of Internal Affairs, Federal Frontier Service. These key design features of the presented diesel engines ensure their high competitive capacity. Basic diesels, single-cylinder, four-stroke, with air cooling and direct fuel injection. Built-in 400-watt generator and generator regulator. Booster pump supplying fuel from a separate tank. A number of units and parts is unified with engine parts of VAZ cars. Start by the electric starter or manual starting system. Crankcase parts are manufactured of high-strength aluminium alloy. Special glow plug for intake air heating provides reliable diesel start at low temperatures. Balance shaft reduces vibration. Built-in centrifugal variable speed governor keeps the velocity conditions specified. Gear-type oil pump ensures lubrication of crankshaft and crankpin sliding bearings. Diesels can be equipped with built-in crankcase oil heater and crankcase oil cooling system with distribution unit. This package makes diesels capable of working within the ambient temperature ranges from -50 to +50 Celsius degrees. Each of the presented diesel models has a standard row of modifications. TMZ 450D/90 and TMZ 450D/90G stand for vertical arrangement of cylinder. TMZ 450D/30 and TMZ 450D/30G stand for inclined arrangement of cylinder. Angle of cylinder inclination is 30 degrees with respect to the horizontal. Letter G in designation indicates for availability of built-in generator. Basic technical data of the diesels. Number of cylinders 1. Bore diameter 85 mm. Displacement for model TMZ 450D 452 cubic centimeters. For model TMZ 520D 520 cubic centimeters. Rated power from 7 to 9.5 kilowatt. Maximum torque for TMZ 450D 22 Newton meter. For TMZ 520D 25.5 Newton meter. Specific fuel consumption under rated conditions is from 280 to 285 gram per kilowatt hour. Dry weight of engine without add-on units is up to 60 kg. Emission characteristics comply with the European standards in force for diesels of this engine class. These are overall mounting dimensions of diesel engines under considerations. View from starting pulley fan. View from starter. View from semi-clutch. So, general purpose small size TMZ diesel engine. The best choice from the economical and technical viewpoint for the various standby sets working under conditions of day and night service at low and high temperatures. Diesel generator unit. We would like to present diesel generator unit ADG 6220 based on diesel engine TMZ 520/30G. It is designed for application as a basic or reverse power supply for various consumers in temperate climate. This generator unit has a high efficiency, up to 80%, and ensures stability of electrical parameters under various climatic conditions. Control panel of the unit ensures start-up of the engine by pressing the button, check operation of diesel and output parameters of generator. Safe operation and maintenance are ensured by design concept of protection from contact with rotating parts, installation of current carrying elements, grounding of units which may be found under voltage. Technical data of diesel generator unit, direct current at 50 Hz frequency, rated power not less than 6 kVA, rated voltage 230 volt, lifetime not less than 4,000 hours, fuel consumption under rated conditions 2.8 liters per hour, dry weight of the unit not more than 140 kilograms. Minimal starting temperature -30 Celsius degrees. Start by electric starter or manually with the help of the cord. Diesel generator set DGU-P27.5V-VM1 is designed for use as a basic or reverse on-board power supply for various military purpose vehicles and equipment, with capability of working in closed space of armored compartment. Diesel generator set provides a long, not less than 24 hours, and continuous mode of operation. Permissible temperature in DGU compartment is from -50 to +17 Celsius degrees. Humidity 98%. Ambient air dust content is permissible up to 3 gram per cubic meter. Minimal starting temperature with use of built-in pre-start heating system is -50 Celsius degrees. Oil preheating time is no more than 20 minutes. A stand-alone control panel is installed into the place of the driver, making it possible to control and check operation of DGU remotely. Generated voltage is regulated automatically. Diesel generator set ensures voltage quantity in accordance with GOST V21/986. Key design features of diesel generator set. Basic cooling system of air cooling type is provided by centrifugal fan. Additional cooling system is oil radiator. Basic system of startup is provided by electric starter with storage batteries. Reserve system is a mechanical hand-operated starting cord. Technical data of diesel generator set. Direct current generator, contactless, single support, power not less than 5 kilowatt, voltage is 27.5 volts. Drive motor is TMZ 520D 4-stroke diesel engine, air-cooled with balance shaft and direct fuel injection. Fuel consumption 280 grams per kilowatt hour. Ranged working temperature from -50 to +50 Celsius degrees. Overhaul life is 4,000 motor hours. Weight without control unit and remote control panel 120 kg. Overall mounted dimensions are shown in the drawings. Power plant for low tonnage boats based on diesel engines TMZ 450D/90G and TMZ 520D/90G is intended for installation on low tonnage boats such as power boats, yachts, longboats, motorboats, as well as on reed mowers. TMZ series single-cylinder 4-stroke diesel engines, complete with RR117 reversing reducer, ensure reliable and fuel-saving mode of low-tonnage boats running under various weather conditions. Diesel is started by electric starter. To supply the electrical equipment of the boat and to recharge the storage battery, our diesel is completed with built-in 400-watt and 12-volt electric generator. Reversing reducer with a two-sided automatic bevel clutch makes it possible to change the sense of rotation of screw propeller to provide forward and reverse maneuvering of the boat. Neutral position is also available. Basic technical data of the power plant. Diesel rated power at 3,600 revolutions per minute is from 8 to 9.5 kilowatt. Hourly consumption of fuel at rated power is from 2 to 2.5 kilogram per hour. Maximum torque on the screw propeller shaft at 1,500 to 1,900 revolutions per minute is 46 Newton meter for power plant based on diesel engine TMZ 450D/G and 56 Newton meter for power plant based on diesel engine TMZ 520D/G. Transmission ratio of reversing reducer is 1 to 2.13 in forward movement and 1 to 2 in reverse. Weight of power plant is 87 kg. Motor pumps. We would like to present diesel pump units or motor pumps. The units DNA 20/55 and DNA 20/70 are fire motor pumps. They are intended for application in the national economy, Navy, and another defense and security agencies. Their main applications are as follows: water feed during fire extinguishing on board the sea crafts and river boats as well as on land, with use of mildly contaminated sea water or fresh water. Washing of buildings, constructions, technical equipment, cleaning and neutralizing operations. Diesel pump unit DNA 60/25 is overboard motor pump. It is designed to pump out mid-contaminated fresh water and seawater from the ships and watercrafts of the Navy and some other departments. Technical data of pumps included into presented motor pumps. All the pumps are of centrifugal self-suction type with one pump impeller and self-suction system with recirculation. During operation under rated conditions, efficiency is 20 cubic meters per hour with fire motor pumps and 60 cubic meters per hour with overboard pumps. Pump head under rated condition is 55 meters from DNA 20/55 pump, 70 meters for DNA 20/70 pump, and 23 meters for DNA 60/25 pump. Maximum suction lift is not less than 7 meters. Self-suction lift under rated conditions is 5 meters. Self-suction time under rated conditions is 4 minutes for fire motor pumps and 3 minutes for onboard motor pump. Time of continuous operation without refueling is 4 hours. Technical data of diesel engines included into presented motor pumps. Used in all the motor pumps is TMZ 520D single-cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine with air coolant. Starting system employs electric starter and manual starting core. Maximum torque is 26.5 Nm for fire motor pumps and 25.5 Nm for onboard motor pump. Power is 9.5 kilowatt. Weight of the unit without completing components is 125 kg. Typical head capacity characteristics of presented motor pumps are given in the diagrams. Electric units. We would like to present the electric units based on TMZ 450D diesel engine. They are designed to function as basic and reserve power supply of the industrial, agricultural enterprises, repair and construction sites, public amenities, and other objects which have no possibility to be connected to the electric networks. The line of models is presented by the following electric units: AD4-230 VM2 alternating current 230 volt single-phase electric unit, AD4-T230 VM2 alternating current 230 volt three-phase electric unit, AD4-T400 VM2 alternating current 400 volt three-phase electric unit. Technical data of presented electric units are as follows: rated power 4 kW, current frequency 50 Hz. Basic start of the engine is realized by electric starter, while the reserve start via hand-operated cord. Generator is synchronous. Fuel consumption is 1.57 kg per hour. Fuel tank capacity is 7.5 liters. Overhaul life is not less than 4,000 hours. Weight of the units is 150 kg. Overall dimensions are given in the drawing. Length 845 mm, width 515 mm, height 640 mm. Production of presented by Tulamashzavod articles is a streamlined system with reliable quality assurance inherent to the enterprise. This is especially important under conditions of the strongest competition, and both the company management and all the employees are ready to that. Equipped with up-to-date production facilities, having accumulated a fund of creative engineering ideas, and staffed with real professionals all over the production and sales spheres, Tulamashzavod is an exemplary deserving of the name of the leading Russian engineering enterprise. Firm position of the company and its long-lasting traditions are a guarantee for saving its cultural, engineering, and professional heritage. It's the strongest argument for success in mutual cooperation of Tulamashzavod within any enterprise and organization. Tulamashzavod Joint Stock Company. Address 2 Mosin Street, Town of Tula, Russian Federation. Department of Contacts and Realization of Orders. Telephone number +7 4872 3699 45 and 366 779 4872 is a local code. Fax number +7 4872 361 739 and 207539 4872 is a local code.